name is Denise Frakes. I am a residue-free coach. Today I'm going to show you how to do a little bit of residue-free cleaning. But first, I want to talk about what residue is. To me, it is more than just dirt. And I know I've taught and did professional cleaning for, but I don't even know how many years. It started in '91. During that time, I learned about residue and how it kind of sticks on things and the value of completely cleaning things off. I mean, the definition of cleaning is breaking surface tension, of dislodging, of removal of what doesn't belong. So for me, cleaning, it started out as cleaning stone and tile and carpet, but it's really developed into a philosophy of life about cleaning off, dislodging, removing the things that do not belong. So in your life, in your spirit, in your health, in your body, in your mind, the things that do not belong there needs to be cleaned off so that you can thrive. That's pretty much it in a nutshell. I know it's very simple, but I like simple things. I think we overcomplicate things. And I know for myself, absolutely up here, not simple. So the more I can create simple pleasures in my life that nourish me, this part can be creative, but I can't have chaos around me and expect this to be anything but more chaos. So, it's simple things like I just discovered yogi tea. Well, I've been drinking yogi tea for years, but for some reason, now all the little messages, I just poured myself a cup of tea. All these little messages, I'm paying more attention to them. So today's is, you don't need love, you are the love. It's just taking tiny moments and appreciating. And one of the reasons I like doing microfiber cleaning, selling Norwex, is because it simplifies your life. I want your life to be rich, and I want it to be complex, and I want it to be creative. I don't want you to take that part away, but there's some things in life that end up depleting our souls and can actually be toxic to us if we're not careful, and one of them is cleaning. And cleaning does not have to be complicated. The world is complicated. Cleaning can be super, super simple. So today I'm going to actually show you a little test of what got me started with these specific Norwex microfibers. I've been teaching residue-free cleaning for, I don't know when I started. It's probably 20 years, I don't know. But anyway, I've been teaching it forever. But when my mom started using microfibers, these specific ones, she told me about it. And of course I ignored her because, I was, how you get all wrapped up in your own self. Oh, I know everything. I'm a cleaner. I've been doing it forever. Well, listen to your mom. But what these microfibers, these Norwex microfibers did was change the way I looked at microfibers. I knew the science of microfibers was good about removing 99%. It seemed great on paper, but when I used them, I really wasn't having that amazing of results. So I stayed with my cotton towels, and the system of removal has always been there. But my type of towel has changed. That's the only thing that's really changed in my life, and an extra step. So when she showed me this, I started with window cleaning, and I'm like, wow. And so I started doing other things, and so with these basic cloths, and that's really all I'm talking today is the foundation. In cleaning, you need a good foundational products, and these, I'm holding butter. I think I put the butter before the horse, or the cart before the horse. So there's two microfibers, the Enviro cloth and the window cloth. Well, I hold my butter. And the window cloth, I really should be a comedian, not a cleaner, right? So anyway, this is the foundation. So this is the wax on and the wax off. This is the cleaning step and the drying step. So cleaning is so simple. It does not have to be complicated. And it's amazing how effective these works. When my mom got them, told me about them, I finally used them. And then I started hiding them because they were so much more effective than anything else I'd used. So anyway, without further ado, which I'm sure I'll have more ado, but anyway, I'm going to show you the butter test. And now I have butter all over because it's melting. Okay, so the butter test is, okay, so I totally just smeared this up. Can you see this? I moved my toaster oven into, I don't know if you can see, there, that's better. I moved my, oh, that's better, you can see it on that side. I moved my toaster oven into this part of the kitchen so you could see the demonstration because it had bad lighting everywhere else. So I just wanted to show you how easy these work, and this is really what I do for my whole house. I clean like 99% of my house with 2 different microfibers, an EnviroCloth and a window cloth, because it's wash off, dry off. I always dry everything. I never leave anything wet because cleaning is the process of removal. It is dislodging, gathering up, and removing. Cleaning is not a chemical, it's removing. Making sure when I'm done, the only thing left is my toaster oven. I want glass, I want metal, I want a countertop. I don't want anything else. I don't want cleaners, I don't want dirt, I don't want germs, I don't want schmutz, I don't want life. I want it all cleaned off, so I go back to the essence of things. So here's how simple it is without, after that giant explanation. Okay, so I really got a lot on there. Okay, and then I buff it dry. Easy peasy, easy peasy. Okay, so now I have like globs of butter on this side. So here's another how easy it is. I just turn it over, flip it, because when I open it up, I fold it on in force, and then I have 8 cleaning sides. So if I'm cleaning this whole toaster oven, I'm just gonna go over it, agitate it, top to bottom, side to side. I work in a pattern, go into high contact areas, and then I buff it dry. And this is amazingly clean. I will put this up next to anybody. Matter of fact, you can do an ADT swab on it, which is the standard of cleaning, and it'll be super clean. My stepmom, when she worked at Sears, she had all kinds of appliances, and they were always using all these toxic things to keep their appliances in the showroom because of all the handprints and everything, trying to keep their showroom appliances looking just sparkling clean. And then I got her the Norwex microfibers, and she's like, oh my gosh. So yes, with just these simple things, I clean pretty much everything in my house. I don't have to use a lot of chemicals. It is so simple. I do recommend getting the foundation of making sure you have the EnviroCloth and the window cloth. I like to have it in multiple different colors because this is my all-purpose. So I do the purple and the gray for my all-purpose house. But in the house, I have different colors for the bathroom and for a kitchen. So if you have different projects you're doing, I usually recommend getting a couple different colors. They have 7 of these. I have 4 I can show you, but they have 7 different colors of the EnviroCloth and 3 different standard colors of the window cloth. So you can mix and match at least 3 different ones. And I think they just came up with a blue like wave one of the window cloth, and they have specialty ones coming up all the time. So get the basics. Keep your cleaning simple. Clean off the residue. Keep your life simple so that your spirit, which is not simple, it is complex and it is creative and it is unique and it is authentic. Keep that active and joyful and excited about life. Keep cleaning off the life's residues. Keep activating your spirit, and keep the things that don't have to be complicated simple, because we have enough things going on. Cleaning should not be the most complicated thing in your life. That should be the simplest thing in your life. It should be this rhythmic practice that nourishes your life and creates a place where you're safe and healthy. So that is my spiel for today. Again, my name is Denise Frakes. I am a residue-free coach. I am a transformational life coach, a healthy home specialist, clutter clearing coach, yada, yada, yada. 30 years in the business of helping people transform their lives. But I started with the simple act of being a cleaner, which I think makes me a much better coach, because you start simple, you end simple, and in the middle, it gets all creatively complex. So happy beginning of summer to you. I will talk to you soon.